Homemade cooking is easy, healthier, and saves you money. Now on Amazon, paperback or Kindle, click on the Amazon link, which I will have in the description bar, and also you can go to the Amazon link for the table of contents for a list of the recipes in this book. Now, for those who would like to have it on thumb drive, I have the e-cookbook along with the YouTube videos that go along with it. And you would need to email me at carolinegibson1951 at gmail for that. Now, I have the photos for most of the recipes that are in the book, and right next to the photo is a large printed recipe next to it. This is a large format book, 9 by 11, so the book will almost lay flat. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Thank you so much.